Hi, my name's Kadir and I'm a student of DP1. As our assembly, we decided to work on the learner profile known as Courageous. So as an IB student, it is important that we approach different situations, whether familiar or unfamiliar, with much confidence and excitement. So as you're gonna see in our presentation, we're gonna be showing you different instances of courageousness and how important it is to be courageous while learning and even outside learning. Thank you.
Morning class. How's everyone doing today?
Amazing.
Good, that's good to hear. As you all know, in the second unit of chemistry, we're looking at the periodic table. Now, before we start the class, I have some questions to jog your memory and maybe to see if we've been paying attention in our classes recently. So the first question I'll have is, is anyone able to tell me the valency of sodium?
Carla, put your hand down. You don't know it.
Carla?
Carla doesn't know it.
Carla?
The book is up.
I
She's
think-
literally getting it from the.
I think the valency is 5.
Unfortunately, that is not the valency of sodium.
Those big glasses and you still couldn't read it off the book. Come on, Carla.
Let's have another question. Try harder next time. Maybe pay attention more. What's the valency of magnesium? Anyone?
Her hand is up again. Why is it up?
Let's have you, Ayan.
It's positive too.
Correct. The valency of magnesium is positive 2. I hope we all remember that. Carla, you should know this one from your revision. Finally, does anyone know the valency of chlorine? Let's have
Pick
Carla.
up, pick up.
Let's have Carla.
Yeah,
Guys,
who
I
can
can't
answer
hear.
this? It's
No,
negative
you can't.
1.
-1. Correct. That is indeed the valency of chlorine.
Hey everyone. This assembly, our class decided to focus on courage. And courage is the ability to face your fears. It doesn't mean that you're not necessarily scared of anything. It just means that you have the confidence to face your fears head on. As you saw in the skit, I faced my bullies and I actually got the answer right the 3rd time. And this month is anti-bullying month since it's October. So I think all of us should really reflect on the importance of not bullying each other if we don't know things.
And you don't know how to shoot. Then shoot. Get up. This isn't fair. I also want to play. Why can't they just let me play? No, I want to play. Tony, why you bullying me? I want to play. You think you can play? Yeah, I can. Come here.
Action.
Hi guys, as you saw me on the court, never be afraid to face your fears. These guys tried to bully me and I was down, but I rose up to the occasion and I managed to take on my bully. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take, so always rise up to the occasion. I'm feeling really tired. I think I should call it a day and take a break.
Yo, guys, when you're sleeping. I have things in here, right? It's all up on so good.
Guys, I don't think that's cool. It doesn't matter. It's ridiculous. No, but that's
Revenue.
It's actually
You should go during
that's
that
kind of
day.
disrespectful.
No more, it's funny. You have to accept it.
It's
That's
like,
good.
that's actually not cool. It's like, it's actually
You're
different.
not- cut her
What
out.
if you don't have another mask? Yes.
Come on, everyone has an
I'm not
example.
doing it. I'm not doing it.
You're stop being a woman.
That's so mean. Literally, that's so mean. Why are you saying that? It's not even, it's not even funny. Like, I don't know what you guys are talking about.
You want to know?
It's really not fun. Like, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. You guys can do your thing.
Oh, she's a mood spoiler.
Man, this one also. Go ahead. You get Tony. What you liking? Why is your mask off? Why is your mask like that? Don't be sleeping in class like that, man.
I was tired, I love it. So in conclusion, being courageous isn't about being able to do anything crazy like fighting a lion. It's not about taking negative risks that can end up getting yourself harmed. As you've seen from the skits, it's about being able to express yourself confidently, even though you may not be sure. It's about being able to be confident in your skills because you miss all the shots that you don't take. And it's also about being able to stand up for what you know is right.